my channel. I'm Jenny. This is a birthday gift from my mom. This is a Barbie Princess Lighthouse. So today I'm going to show how to fix it. Let's start. We are gonna open it. Gonna take out the pipes. You keep it aside. And remove clips in there.
Stop.
So we have long pipes, two different types of medium pipes and small pipes. And we have some clips to join and a cloth to make the tent. Let us fix it. First, we need two long pipes and two medium pipes, four clips. They're like this. Join them. We have joined for a tent floor. We need four medium pipes. We need these four joints. The whole side always should face the opposite.
Next
We need another two pipes. So we have fixed the two long pipe. We need two small pipes. And a clip. Two other. We need the last clip on the other side. Use the big pipe. We are going to secure it on the both sides. Now the house structure is completed. Barbie Princess Lighthouse light. Take out the top pipe. Keep the light inside. Now we'll fix the tent.
This is the princess lighthouse. Beautiful. Which is Lexi's Barbie house. Let us go inside and check what they are.
Hi, I'm Lexi.
Hi. May I know what is inside?
Yes, here is the kitchen with a dining table.
Okay.
Here is a clock
Okay.
with a doll.
Oh, nice Barbie. Nice shiny dress. Nice.
Now with some sofas,
Okay.
with 2 tables
Okay.
and with a television.
Oh, nice.
Next, here is a chimney
Okay.
with a piano.
Oh.
Here is the bathroom
Oh, you have washing basin also.
with a washing machine.
Oh, nice.
Next, here is the Barbie.
Oh.
Here is a comb. Here is a mirror.
Nice mirror.
So many types of shoes for the Barbies.
Let me check. Wow, nice. Many shoes you're having.
With 2 headbands
Oh,
and with a handbag, with a necklace and with a purse.
oh, nice.
Here is a phone.
Oh, beautiful.
Next is the bedroom
Okay.
with so many Barbies.
Okay. They are sleeping now.
Right.
Oh,
Here are 2 small Barbies.
okay. You have a unicorn too.
Unicorn doll.
Okay, what is up there?
There are so many dresses for Barbies.
Wow, nice, Lexi.